pinaka-affordable na condo sa BGC ay nasa Uptown, which is Uptown Modern. It's as low as 10,000 per month with annual lump sum. Lahat ng kailangan mo nandito na rin. World-class shopping and dining destinations like Uptown Mall, Uptown Parade, Landers BGC, and Mitsukoshi Mall. This pre-selling project offers a studio up to 3-bedroom unit. This can also generate cash flow for you since it's open for long-term rentals and Airbnb. Walking distance din tayo sa BGC Guadalupe SkyTrain Monorail and Metro Manila Subway. Plus, 30 minutes away na lang din to NAIA. It gives you perpetual or lifetime ownership. So young professionals, OFWs, expats, and even foreigners are welcome to invest. So hit the follow button for more details about Uptown Modern because Uptown Modern ang pinaka-affordable na condo sa BGC ay nasa Uptown, which is Uptown Modern. It's as low as